With everything installed and glued, and we've waited 24 hours for everything to dry, we can remove all the clamps. With the exception of sanding, the project build process is done. However, all of the edges of all of our pieces are extremely sharp. We want to bring these down ever so slightly because we want the bench to retain a square, boxy look, but we don't want a sharp edge that could cut someone or get chipped off over time. So I will begin by using a sanding block and break all of the edges slightly. I'll then come back with a piece of 80 grit sandpaper and work over those edges again using light pressure, and then I'll finish up with some 120 grit sandpaper. The edges are not sharp, they feel nice and smooth. I can feel that little microscopic round over, and I'm not worried about getting cut or that chipping off. And then any larger flat areas, I'm going to finish up with 120 grit sandpaper on the palm sander. This process will take quite a while because this is a pretty large project with a lot of surface area. And with everything sanded, the last thing to do is install two 3/8 inch oak buttons at the back of our project. This project is now complete and we are ready for stain and finish.